It's never too soon to start planning out your summer decor. Nothing screams summer to me like lemons. That bright, beautiful yellow color just reminds me of sunshine and all the warm days ahead. So, in today's video, I'll be showing you easy, inexpensive lemon decor DIYs that anyone can make on a budget. Oh, we're going to get real fruity here. Let's get started by making an easy lemon candle holder using a plastic water glass, some lemons, a dowel rod, a wood round, and some floral foam. The first thing I did was cut down my dowel rod to about 7.5 inches. This will depend on how tall or how big your lemons are going to be, as to how long you cut your dowel rod. I gave the end a good sand as well as the wood round, and as you just saw there, I did give them one coat of Waverly Antique Wax. Now, for the lemons, they're all kind of a hard styrofoam, but they're very easy to just slide down onto this dowel rod. Now, my lemons came from Hobby Lobby. They have a nice size bag. I believe it has 16 pieces in it. They're medium, kind of a medium size lemon. And then they have some smaller ones in there. And if you wait until they go 40% off for 16 lemons, it is a really, really good deal if you can't find any at Dollar Tree, because I believe at Dollar Tree they sell them individually, which can get kind of pricey. So I would recommend Hobby Lobby for the better deals. Sometimes you just have to shop around. So as you see, I'm kind of staggering them. I didn't want them all in a going one direction. So I put one on that was kind of going from side to side, one, the middle one kind of cattywamped, for lack of a better word, and the third one the same way. You just push it down on there and take off the little styrofoam pieces, but these go on really well, and there's no need to hot glue them to the dowel rod. Next, for the water glass, these glasses do not have a hole in the bottom, so I have to make one. And I'm just trying to figure out, okay, I need to do that. So I'm gonna have to make a hole. And to do that, I'm just using my hot glue gun to melt a hole into the bottom of this water glass. Guys, welcome to this video. I am so glad you guys decided to join me today. My name is Robin, if you're new, and if you're one of my returning viewers or subscribers, you know I love you guys and I thank you so much for all of your support. Once I had my hole melted in the bottom of the glass and I was sure that it fit, it's time to put it all together. So I hot glued a small piece of floral foam down to my wood round, filled the hole with hot glue, stuck my dowel rod down into that. I added some leaves to the top lemon to help kind of camouflage the top of the dowel rod. And now I'm just making sure my glass is going to fit. I'm going to put on a ton of hot glue, and this is Gorilla Hot Glue, by the way. And this has no problem holding this up. The cup is very lightweight. You can get this in the party section, but anything you have at home that's lightweight enough will work. But I just thought this made the cutest little candle holder. Next, to cover up the floral foam, I grabbed some leaves that I had accumulated in my stash. I know they're not really probably lemon leaves. Anything you have will work. Just something to cover that foam up. I also used some of these little white flowers. And as a finishing touch, to me, lemons and bees and flowers just go together. So I am hot gluing some of these tiny little scrapbooking bees that I got from Hobby Lobby on to the piece, and there it is. I added a bow. I think this is so cute. I saw Easter egg candle holders during Easter time, and I thought, why not do it with lemons? You guys let me know what you think about this. Next up, I'm making a lemon window box using one of these arch plastic frames from the Dollar Tree. I've had these in my stash for several years. So if you can't find these, I did see a regular arch shape photo frame at Dollar Tree. So you could probably recreate it using something like that. So there were three little screws that held the two pieces together. I just took it apart, and the first thing that I'm going to do is coat both of these pieces with Mod Podge. So hopefully this acrylic paint in the color Caribbean will stick to it. Now this is after one coat, and the back piece is black. I decided I didn't like that, so I don't use my cashew. I don't know why I picked that up. I went in with my plaster chalk paint and did the back panel of that. So, y'all, today this video is part of the Summer Fruits collaboration, which is hosted by my good friend Brenda at Rustic and Lace DIY and Amanda from Six Kids and a Glue Gun. Check out their channels in the description box, and a great playlist with lots of summer fruit decor ideas. I'm also going to use one of these little box trays. You know what I'm talking about, box trays. That didn't even make sense. From the Dollar Tree. And I'm using these beads that I got from Amazon. If you're interested, it's a really good deal. I've got those linked in my Amazon store. You can find that in the description box. I used 4 of them for the little feet with a combination of my Gorilla Super Glue gel and hot glue. And I just put one in each corner. I guess I really wanted y'all to see I knew how to glue stuff, huh? Friends, if you are enjoying this video, I would greatly appreciate a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. That really helps this channel and this video. And if you would be so kind as to share this video with your family and friends, all those things helps YouTube recognize me just a little bit more. And if you haven't done so already, I'd really love it if you join the Crafty crew and subscribe. Now, once I had all the painting done, including the box, which you just saw, I'm using this gorgeous fabric that I got from Dollar Tree. And y'all, this top panel, I think I put like 3 coats of that Caribbean paint on there. I don't know why it's not that dark. I don't know what the deal is with the light today. I have no idea. Anywho, I cut out the fabric just a little bit bigger than what I needed. And now all that's left to do is to replace the screws. And you notice I've made like a fabric sandwich. A sandwich. So I just put the screws back in place. I did not put the hanger on. And then I'm just going around trimming off any of the excess fabric. And this one is almost done. Oh, I love the way this turns out. I had this little wood hello word. I think it came from Dollar Tree. I just gave it a coat of white paint, and we'll simply hot glue that to the center where the original little sign was. Now, if you have these in your stash, you could put that original sign back on there. Now I am using my pencil to measure out on the back where I need to put my glue. And I'm going to put my glue, of course, below those lines. And I'm once again going to be using a combination of the Gorilla Super Glue Gel and my hot glue. And as you see there, I painted my little tray in the plaster color chalk paint, but I did not paint the inside because we're going to be filling it up with goodies. When I pulled this piece of fabric out of my stash, I knew it was going to be my inspiration for this whole video. The blue with the yellow of the lemons. There's just something about those two colors. They just look so good together. And I've done lemon videos in the past on the channel where I used like a navy color. That looks awesome with the yellow as well. But I tried to match as best I could the paint color to the blue color in the fabric, and it is not showing up right in this clip right here. I don't know what was going on. But anyway, I love this piece. I love the first piece. You guys let me know what you think about this in the comments. And is this something that you would like to recreate? My favorite part of this video is showing off what the Crafty crew has been up to. And my good friend Tim, that's been with me since the beginning, likes to play with epoxy resin. And he made me this plaque with my name on it, tinted it purple. I can use it as a drink holder or an ashtray. Tim, I love it. Thank you so much. Annabelle made this gorgeous honeybee wreath. You can see it there on her front door. She is a member of our Facebook group called Unleashed Crafty Crew Creations. And if you have something that you would like me to show off in one of my upcoming videos, you can email it to me, send it to me on Instagram, or better yet, join the free Facebook group. I will have that link in the description box below. So let's get into the third DIY, which is an easy lemon wreath. For this wreath, I'm using a 12-inch grapevine wreath that I've had in my stash forever. And I also had these lemon picks that I got from Walmart. And all I'm doing is shoving the stem kind of into the grapevine wreath itself. So I use no hot glue for this wreath. I can take it apart and make something else with it. I then had these pretty blue hyacinth stems. I only had these two pieces left. So I put one at the top and one at the bottom. Like I said, guys, I love the combination of yellow and blue together. And I think that's just so, so pretty. So I thought it needed some more lemons. And I had this leftover greenery stem thing. Anyway, it's wired. And so I just stuck a lemon on there. I got two of the small ones and two of the medium sized ones. And this is from the pack that I got from Hobby Lobby. Lord, I don't know how many years ago. The great thing about this video, y'all, I did not buy anything to make these DIYs. Everything I'm using, I already had in my stash. So I'm doing the same thing here. I'm just putting the lemons, just working them into the grapevine there. And they get in there pretty tight. And of course, you know, you could always use some zip ties and kind of zip tie the floral picks and whatnot to the grapevine wreath. But that was really all there was to it. And I kind of like things off to the left side. I made a bow, zip tied it together, inserted another zip tie through that one, and attached it to the wreath. And guys, I love this. Oh, I'm having a really hard time picking a favorite in this video. What do y'all think? What's your favorite? Be sure to let me know in the comments. Let me know that you stuck it out with me to the end of this video by letting me know what your favorite fruit is down in the comments. You can either write it in a sentence or you can leave me an emoji. I am so thankful and grateful for every one of y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video and got value from it, and it inspires you to get crafting and start working on those summer DIYs. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, y'all go get your craft on. Bye. Oh, y'all, I almost forgot. If you're still in the mood for more fruity fun, I'm going to leave a video on the screen right now, and I'll meet you over there. So go check it out. Bye.